yeah, they're going to be upset when so my account got deactivated by an Instacart customer care agent. And then later on got reactivated by another Instacart customer care agent. Stay tuned. In this video, we're going to do a complete walkthrough. You're going to need to watch the whole video. I'll be looking, man. I look at my analytics. I know y'all don't watch any more than like 3 minutes. I don't know what's up with. Just watch the whole video if you want to know how to get reactivated for the Instacart Shopper app. Within 24 hours, I should be reactivated, which kind of sucks. If you guys know me, I'm the $400 a day guy. That's what I do. Especially Friday, Saturday, best days of the week. $400 easy is what I was expecting to make. I made $350 yesterday. All right, so it's Friday. You guys already know what it is. I'm going for the highest numbers possible. $400 at least is what I'm thinking. Day after Memorial, or the weekend after Memorial Day. I feel like holidays are busy, but when everybody, you know, is getting back in order and filling the house back up after being cleaned out, it's just as lucrative. So get up, get ready. I just had a triple batch at Sam's Club. I didn't even know they did triple batches, but it is what it is. Let me put my seatbelt on and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Stay tuned in the video if you need a full explanation. If you want, if you deserve, but you definitely need a full explanation of how to get your account reactivated if you're ever in this situation. Bye. Always make sure that I get in contact with customer care if, like, I need to contact. I wish I would have recorded it, but I didn't think I would need to because I do this every single time. It's early. The customer is not making contact, but I'm making like big changes to the order, big replacements, not necessarily out of the way of like something they would want, but you know how it is. Like, they had 2 half butt pork loins and they wanted a total of 2 pounds, but 1 half butt pork loin is 4 pounds alone. So I'm like, do they want 2? Do they want 1? I ended up getting them 1. And then the pork shoulder, they wanted 1 of those, but 2 pounds, but those only come in 4-pound packages. So I got them the 4-pound packages. So these kind of updates, you definitely need to get in contact with customer care about. So when you do get in contact with Instacart customer care's agent, try to make sure it's a good one. I wish I would have got that name. Man, I wish I would have got the name, but it's cool. Majority, the one who I got in contact with afterwards, cleaned everything up. I'm talking about got me reactivated. Actually, you guys are going to need to watch tomorrow to make sure things got reactivated. Bruh. So my Instacart account is under review until tomorrow, but I got in contact right away with customer service. Right away with pictures, evidence, pictures of the trunk to show that, hey, this is what's left, because they told me to return only the non-perishable items. I ain't gonna lie. I thought perishable. I thought that meant I was going to return all the code stuff. Turns out they want me to return all the non-code stuff. All right, so it got kind of late. The day got away from me. I apologize. But look, I want you to fully understand the situation I was in. I was shopping for a customer. Instead of wasting your time, I'm just going to explain it to you and make some edits on here so you can see what I actually typed to the Instacart customer care, as well as the middle part of it, you know, what was going on, what was being said between me and customer care. And then after that, towards the end, how it all got settled out, how I got my shopper bump, and how I got paid out, and my account reactivated, and everything should be okie dokie tomorrow. So, first off, I want you to know that as soon as you're in a situation like this, you have to contact customer care. There's no waiting, there's no lollygagging, there's no trying to figure it out. Oh, what's going on? I'm confused. No. You walk out of the store like I did, you see that there's no order there, there's no batch, but you had one 5 seconds ago, you got a trunk full of food, then you contact them right away. Let them know the full situation. I know sometimes they act like they're slow, but type it all out. Type it all out. Give them the whole shebang so that they know what's going on, and you don't have to worry about them understanding clearly the problem that you're in. Because I think that's what happened with the first customer care agent. He didn't know what was going on, and then I wasn't patient. I ended the chat, gave him a 3-star, said he was too slow for the reasoning, and maybe he had a vendetta and tried to get me deactivated, or maybe he was just confused, juggling too many accounts. I don't know. But tomorrow my account will be reactivated because I, number one, got in contact with another customer care agent as soon as possible. I, number two, made sure to fully explain the situation. I, number three, kept all my receipts. I, number four, made sure to send documentation, pictures, everything I could to the customer care agent in the actual chat. So in the actual chat that we were conversing, I sent him pictures of the trunk with all the food, pictures of what I was returning, pictures of the receipt, pictures of the return receipt, all documentation, as I've said in the last deactivation video. Because yes, they have tried to do this before. You have to cover your ass when it comes to Instacart. When it comes to all these platforms, Uber, Shipt, DoorDash, they have enough shoppers. They truly do. So if one gets deactivated, it's really not that big a deal. But what you need to do is cover your ass, cover all the bases, take pictures, take receipts. Make sure you keep your receipts for at least 3, 4, 5 days. I say 5 days. Some people say 3, to each their own. But make sure you're covering all your bases. You never know what's going to happen. I got my email saying that my account's under review and all this kind of stuff. All this was happening whilst I'm at the store waiting to return all the stuff to the customer service. Mind you, it's early in the morning and no one's in the store. And it's a small store, so they barely even really have customer service. And it's Saturday, so who knows who's not showing up for work that day. Luckily, everyone was cool, calm about it. I was cool and calm with customer service and let them know what was going on with the situation while I was returning it, because I literally just left 10 minutes ago with a cart full of stuff. I'm sure they were upset. That's what I told customer care, that yeah, they're going to be upset when I show up with a cart full of food. That's when they started talking about the non-perishable items only being returned and all that extra stuff, and return shopper bump and all the extra stuff. You have to fully explain the situation to them. You guys know I get excited. Sorry, I'm excited. It's been a long day, but I needed to get out the content and explain to the community, if you're ever in this situation and Instacart is trying to deactivate your account, you need to let them know what's going on, have pictures of everything, and take care of it right away. Don't wait. Don't go get any food. Stay where you are. Contact customer care. If you're not in the store anymore, you're in your vehicle, that's fine. Deal with it there. Once you get it figured out, go back in the store and handle your business. This is Instacart Strategies. I hope you're having an amazing weekend. And if you're anything like me, you must be a strategic thinker.